Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix voice recorder not working error in Windows. Chapter 1. Fix error Windows voice recorder not working adjusting permissions. To start, click on the Start menu, click on Settings. Now under Privacy and Security, select Microphone. In this section, activate the switch Sound Recorder. Chapter 2. Fix error Windows voice recorder not working checking microphone. To begin, press Start, select Settings. Then go to Time and Language. After that, click on Speech. Here in the microphone section, click Get Started. Wait for the assistant to carry out all device validation. You can interact when necessary. Chapter 3. Fix error Windows voice recorder not working restarting the device. To get started, in the search box, enter Control. Open the Control panel. Then click on Hardware and Sound. After that, click on Sound. Now in the Recording tab, you must right-click on the microphone, select Disable. Then right-click again, this time click on Enable. Click OK. Chapter 4. Fix error Windows voice recorder not working repairing the application. To start, click Start, select Settings. Then in Apps, click on Installed Apps. After that, click on the 3 sound recorder dots. Select Advanced Options. At the bottom, click Repair. Wait for this action to complete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After that, click Reset. Confirm the process and wait for it to be restored. Chapter 5. Fix error Windows voice recorder not working from services. To start, enter Services in the search box. Click on Services. Locate the Windows Audio Service. Double-click on it. Now in the Startup Type field, validate that it is automatic. Then click Stop, then click Start, select OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.